I'm so glad that class is over. So boring, right? Wait, did you see that? That's new. It's kinda weird. I don't get art. Let's improve it. How about a mustache? You saw that, didn't you? Nobody vandalizes art. Not on my watch. You're in big trouble. What happened? Where are we? Welcome to my food art challenge. We're gonna have some fun. Who's gonna press the button? Me? Okay, here goes. I'm feeling lucky. Ooh, what's that? It's so exciting! Wow, look at that! These tools will come in handy. What's her problem? Yeah, what are you doing? I got you, didn't I? I want you to create Shrek. Oh, you were being an ogre. So what are we using? Huh? Look. I have an avocado. Time to get to work. First I need to cut the avocado in half. Then scoop out the flesh. I need a slice of toast. I'll cut and layer the avocado to make his face. I can't forget about his eyes. It's good enough to eat. That does look good. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be tough. Oops. I'll clean that up later. This is getting messy. But I'll do my best. Time is running out. I'm ready. I think you'll be impressed. Wow, that's great. Okay, Sunny. Ew. What? Is something wrong? Oh, that's embarrassing. I don't want to waste it. Oh, come on. You disgust me. What is that? Ah! That'll give me nightmares. Gina wins. Woohoo! That seems about right. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I win! Ah! What's wrong? What's all the noise? Spider! Spider! That's it? Fine, I'll deal with it. Oh, it's so cute. It's not a big deal. Is she crazy? How is she doing that? That gives me an idea. For the next challenge, create Spider-Man. Woohoo! This'll be good. Let's do this. I'll use tomato ketchup on my pizza base. That should be enough. I'll use a spoon to spread it out. I want it to be nice and even. Time for the cheese. This is making me hungry. That's the cheese done. Pepperoni pizza is a classic. I love it. Ooh, bell pepper. This can be Spider-Man's mask. I'll position it around the edge of the pizza. I'll use cheese for the eyes. Just a little more. I'm happy with this. My turn. Sunny's looks good. I better give them a taste test. Let's find out who won. Ahem. Painting lady? We're ready. Clearly only one of you has seen Spider-Man. That makes my decision easier. Sunny wins. Yes, I did it! Aw, I tried my best. Can I have a slice? I want to try it first. What the? Hey! Sorry, but crime fighting is hungry work. I wonder what we have this time. It's the most fiendish challenge yet. I don't like the sound of that. I'm just kidding. Make me a unicorn. But it's gotta be cute. Aww. I love unicorns. They're so adorable. They really are. Should we press the button? Yeah, let's do it. Ooh, glitter. This'll be useful. I can definitely use these sprinkles. I'm gonna enjoy this. I need to think about this. Oh wait! I'll take one of Gina's cupcakes! Hey, that's mine! Come on, you've got lots. Here goes. I'll pipe the frosting onto the cupcake. I'll work from the outside into the middle. Now I'll switch colors. This will be the unicorn's horn. I'll use love hearts for the eyes. That's so unfair!
Ahem.
Huh?
Sup, maybe I can help you. First you'll need a large tray. Yes! That's perfect.
I'll arrange the cupcakes on the tray. I'll arrange them in the shape of a unicorn. Now I'll cover them with frosting. I'll create an outline first, then fill it in. Now I'll smooth it out. This'll be my base. And I can eat the extra frosting later. Now to decorate it. I'll start with yellow frosting. Let's switch colors. I want it to be colorful. It's looking great. It's like a rainbow. I'll add an ear and my unicorn is finished. Oh, that looks good, Sunny. We're ready! It'd be a shame to eat my unicorn. I'm totally eating mine. Oh, that cupcake's so cute. But Gina's… Whoa. This is a tough one. So I'll say it's a tie. Yay! That seems fair. Okay, it's eating time. I'm sorry it's come to this, but I'm super hungry. I'm looking forward to this. They're so good. Huh? Sunny? What? What is it? I finally have a unicorn as a friend! This is the best day ever! What's this for? I've no idea. This should be good. Make me a pancake Pikachu. I love this challenge. Wow, you're eager. I'll start with the outline. I'll use black pancake mix for this. Now I'll draw the eyes. I don't know if I can do this. I think I need some help. I'm gonna press the button. Shouldn't something be happening? Oh! A Pokeball! Whoa! Look at that! Huh? It's turned into a template! This is just what I need! I'll go around the edge with black pancake mix. Now I can add the colors. I'll use red for the cheeks. I can't forget the mouth. I'll pipe white into the eyes. It's more precise this way. Okay, what's next? Ooh, look at Sunny's. That's so good! I can go over it with yellow now. I just need to stay in the lines. Using the template was so much easier. I'm almost done. I just need to fill in the tail. I'll take my time with this part. That should do it. Wow, I'm impressed. What's that smell? Huh? Oh no! My pancake! Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. It's ruined! What am I gonna do? Maybe I can cover it up. Hopefully no one will notice. That's not gonna work. At least my pancake looks good. It's time to flip it. Wow, this is amazing! You're almost out of time! Here you go. This isn't gonna go well. At least it's yellow. That is amazing, Sunny! Gina, that is… what is that? This is easy. Sunny wins! Yes! I win! Woo! I can't complain about that one. And now I can eat the pancake! Stop rubbing it in. What do you think is under there? I think we're about to find out. It's the mystery round. Exciting, huh? I don't like surprises. Come on, let's get it over with. Huh? Mickey? I've got Lily. What are we supposed to do? I'm so confused. Really? You still don't get it? It's time to become fashion designers. Design a dress. That's it? No problem. I'll just press the button. I love this part. Wait, I've gotta use one hand? Okay, I'll give it a go. How hard can it be? This should be fun. This is trickier than I thought. Maybe I can use my teeth. Oops! I need to concentrate. I want this to be perfect. What the… that's tasty. Thanks, Sunny. Okay, here I go. I'll pipe the frosting onto the plate. If I make little peaks, it'll make a pretty dress. Or at least that's the plan. This is fun! That's the top part done. Now I'll make bigger peaks for the skirt. I'll just work my way down the plate. I'll shape them into a large triangle. Now for some decorations. These balls will add a little glamour. Wow! It's beautiful! You need to hurry up! Come on! I'm feeling confident about this. What do you think? I tried my best. They're different. It looks good, Gina! You win! Well done! Yes! I'm so happy! Meh. I'll just eat the frosting. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. So, what happens next? It's done! You go back to school. Catch you later! Huh? Whoa! Did that really happen? Sunny, look! Let's draw horns on that painting! Nope! No way! Let's get to class. Yeah, you're probably right. I guess they've learned their lessons. I'll get to them next time.
I can't believe it's here!
This thing's like 1,000 years old! Whatever. Look! What do you think these do? Maybe you can win a prize.
Cool!
My turn! Gah!
You like those buttons? This one's even better.
Huh? What's happening?
Check it out, yo!
I'm going with the green one.
Perfect. Hope you're hungry down there. Here it comes. Look at all those noodles. There's enough for an army in here.
I wish you'd warm them up first. Ugh, this feels super strange. Think they're any good? I know! Never go anywhere without these. Always helps to pass the time.
An interesting choice.
Isn't it gorgeous? Perfect for a winter ride.
How about yellow? Whew, good thing I work out. Flower avalanche coming in strong.
Gah! I can see a single thing! Ugh. It's like a flower shower in here!
That was thrilling.
Achoo!
Achoo!
Must be contagious. Let's see. Yes!
Is it time already? This one's gonna be sweet. Heads up! Looks yummy, huh? Such pretty pastel hues.
Whoa! That was the best button ever! I'm in marshmallow heaven! I bet I could eat all of these. I don't know what to pick.
Hey! You're gonna need this!
Huh? Really? Thanks, I guess.
These are sweet, but they're hard. Here they come!
Whoa! These things are really loud! But I'm not mad about it! It's my favorite candy in the whole world! I know! Hey, Lizzie! Want some candy? I'll trade you some marshmallows!
Whoa! Definitely a fair trade! I wasn't expecting this to happen.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting!
I'm ready! Are you? Ah! So cold!
Ugh! We got totally soaked!
Whoa! What the heck? Hey, do you have a bunch of buttons too? I do. Pretty wild. I wonder what button I should press first. I'll try this orange one up here. I wonder what's gonna happen.
Time to pop this balloon.
Ah! What's that falling on me? Oh wow! It's gummy bears! Amazing! I love these! Hey, wait a second. I've got a great idea! Alright, time to start stringing up the gummy bears. It's actually kind of fun. And now I've just got to string up even more. Oh my, wow! Look at how great this looks! I have a gummy bear necklace. I wonder which button should I choose. Yellow.
Here it comes. Pop.
Ah! What's that? What is it? It feels so weird. I don't like it. Ew! It's noodles! Oh, I know! I have these hair clips. I just have to add these to my hair. There we go. I need even more. And more. Oh, I'm so pretty now. So fun. I'll pick a button at random for this one. Ooh, looks like I pressed the red one. It's balloon poppin' time. Whoa! What were those? They're so light. Yay! More snacks! Cheesy Pops! Alright, I'll try a button on this side. Orange! I wonder what's gonna happen.
You're about to find out.
Ooh, what are those? They're so bouncy. There's so many of them. Ah! Eyeballs! They're watching me! Wait a second. I know what these are. They're gummy eyeballs. Watch this move. Ha! Oh, they taste great. And now I have 2 different colored eyes. Alright, enough joking. Time for snacking.
A magic bucket? What could we possibly put in it? I've got it! Gummy bears! Yeah! A lot of them! And some soda. A whole lot of soda. One more thing to make it perfect. Candy! Ready? In they go! Whoa! They're everywhere! Gummy bear volcano! Ah! Wow! This is amazing! Whoa! 2 hand emojis. And another one. And a no sign. So exciting! Hey, let's see what's underneath. Wow! What is this? Huh? Wow! I want one of those! Aw, what is this? What's wrong? Oh, it's okay. You've still got some. It's not fair! Whoa! Cool! Quickly! Look! It's amazing! It's become a rainbow! It has! Yay! Both hands! I only get one! Wait, there's still corn here. I know what'll do the trick. I'll just put the corn in this container, add the candy, and give it a really good shake. Presto! Rainbow popcorn. Ta-da! Really? For me? What? Why can't I? Nuh-uh. Remember? You're only allowed one hand. That's right. One hand only. Perfect. Wait. I'll go first. Okay. Ooh. What? It's tiny. This can't be right. Whatever. Let's see what I've got. Whoa! A pizza tower! Yum! Yum! Yummy! What is that? Huh! Both hands again! No hands? Oh well. Both hands behind the back. Time to eat! So good! I just love pizza! That looks delicious. And I've got this. I've got a crazy idea. This'll do nicely, I think. I'll just stick this in here. And I'll give it a few pumps. That's a silly idea. Whoa. Almost there. There. Perfect. Here, hold this. Why? Take it, please. Okay. Yum! I wonder… Yeah! Muscles! Alright, I'll just grab this and… well, go on. Start pumping. Okay! It's working! Whoa! Awesome! Look at the size of my muscles! I'm so strong! Cool! My turn now! Alright, I'm ready! Power pump! 3, 2, 1… Roar! What? No! No! They say you eat with your eyes. That was certainly true in this challenge. Whose food would you rather eat? Sunny's or Gina's? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.